At this point in the year, you've gotten to know your students pretty well, and it might be time to start thinking about a different way to use the stream in Google Classroom. So, at the beginning of the year, it was super important that students understood that the classwork tab was where they needed to go all the time because it's where they had to get their assignments. But by this time in the year, they definitely know that that's where they need to be going. So, now there's an opportunity that is offered by the stream that you can take advantage of. This is a place where you and your students can interact. Students can learn digital citizenship skills and practice positive social interaction in an online environment. It could even be a place where students who don't like to speak out in class might be able to share their passions with you and your students in a different way. So, what can you do in the stream? Students could answer a this or that or a would you rather question. You can put in a picture of you with your pet and ask your students to do the same. You can share roses and thorns from your school day. Ask your students what you should make for dinner tonight. Ask students to share what their favorite part of the story they just read, or ask students to share a picture of something creative that they've made recently. In order for students to be able to post in the stream, you might have to change some settings, especially if you kept them from posting at the beginning of the year. So go to the settings gear and scroll down to where you see the word stream right here. And you can see there are three choices in that drop down tab. And so if you want your students to be able to post, choose this. If you only want them to be able to comment on what you post, then choose this one right here. I'm going to let students post into the stream. And don't forget, this is one of those places where you do need to click save in Google. And now you're ready to post and let them post. And basically, this works an awful lot like an assignment. You can make a stream post to different classes right here in your list. And you can also select a particular student or a group of students that you want to make that post to. Just like assignments, you can load them from Drive, upload them, include a link, or choose something from YouTube to inspire your post. And I do have this as well that I can schedule my post and I can also save it as a draft. I'm going to go ahead and post it. And there are pancake and sushi. Yes, of course, you as the teacher will need to monitor what happens in the stream, but this practice that you're giving our students can help them learn the proper way to use social media. Remember, you can mute a student who is not participating properly. The way you would do that is to go to the People tab, select the person that you want to mute, go to Actions, and then select Mute. And then that person um, will be able to submit work, but they won't be able to post or comment. And then say mute, and then we have muted that particular student. Have a day filled with love and learning, and if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.